My boy is going to slay. I'm so excited. Hey gorgeous, welcome to another video. I am so excited because hey, I got some beautiful outfit for my baby. This video is sponsored by SHEIN. It's long I did baby haul, so these items, they are for my baby and they are so cute. For this winter, my baby is going to slay like never before. He's going to slay. So in case if you like all these items, their link will be on the description box. If you like them for your toddler, for your babies, their link will be on the description box. They have all sizes, okay? My boy is 2. Everything I picked for him is from 2 to 3 years. I don't like clothes that are too oversized on babies, or in the name of he will wear it when he's no. I like things that are fit. This discount code here, don't hesitate to use it to get some percentage off. And if you haven't downloaded the SHEIN app, download it to get all these things, because SHEIN, they are popping. They have so many beautiful things. Think of anything, you're going to find it on SHEIN. So guys, I'll be bringing them one by one. So I think I'm going to put the name of the stores on the description or on the screen as well, so that it can be easy for you to like get the outfit. Look at this one. Look at this. Just look at this shirt. Look at this. Oh my gosh, this is so cool, so beautiful. It has a button detail and the material is so soft, so beautiful. This sky blue, it's like sky blue. It's not that dark blue, okay? It's so lovely. This looks so warm. Oh, I can't wait for my baby to wear this. 2 to 3 years. Oh, this is so beautiful. Look at the texture of this and the design. Oh, it's 2-piece, okay? It has this. Let me take it back for you guys to see. You can see it's long sleeve, and the fabric is so warm. It's something that he can wear inside, and the same thing, 2 to 3 years. That is the size I take. This is so lovely. I love the fabric. This is like, see it, can you guys see it? You can see the material. This is the fabric. You guys can see it. It's so beautiful. I like it. All right, next one. These are jeans. It's 2-piece. Oh, I forgot that I took most things. I took is 2-piece because it's easier to style, okay? You don't need to like be looking for something that you use to match the top. So I just went for like 2-piece this time around. I like this, the quality, guys. This is, I'm not even joking, this is so beautiful. This is so beautiful. These jeans is so beautiful. My baby don't have anything like this. It's so beautiful. Look at the trouser, okay? It has elastic on the waist, okay? See it? And look at this. Look at the under. And the shirt, it has buttons by the sleeves. It has buttons down. Wow, this here is so beautiful. I'm not even joking. The quality is so lovely. All right, let's move on. Let's see this one. This one is 2-piece too. I told you guys, 2-piece. I think my baby has something like this that look like this. He has something that look like this. It's still the same 2-piece, something that he can wear just to go and play or even wear out, okay? See, it is 2-piece. The trouser, let me take it back, and the top. I love the color. I like everything. I like the fabric. It has a pocket here with this little design here. That's so beautiful. This is the next one. What's this? This one is a shirt. Okay, it's a shirt. Look at this, guys. It has hoodie, okay? You see this? It's lovely. Look at it. It's so nice, I have something of this nature, but mine is not hoodie. Even his dad has something like this. It has some buttons and the quality, mwah. So it has elastic by the sleeves. You guys can see it's lovely. Look at the back. This is so lovely. I like it. But this one, okay, this one, I love this. I still have something like this. Oh my gosh. One thing, I like twinning with my baby. Are you like me? I like twinning with him. So most of all these things that we have the same thing, we're going to wear them together. When I wear my own, I'm going to wear his own. Okay, now look at the design. Okay, let me bring it closer. You see how it is. It's so beautiful. I really like it. Let's move on. This one, oh, this one looks so big. Oh la, this looks so big. I bet there's a mistake somewhere. I took 2 to 3 years. 4 years? What happened? 4 years, there's a mistake somewhere. No wonder it's looking so big. 4 years, wow. Because I said this looks so big, but it's so beautiful. Oh my gosh, so beautiful. How come 4 years? Because the trouser is so big. Look at this. I said this is very big. Anyway, I'm going to keep it. Before you know it, children, they grow so fast. So I love this one, but it's 4 years. Let's see. Like I said, the names of the shops, I'm going to put it, the names of the store, I'm going to write it on the screen and even on the description box, because this one is from Cozy. Okay, most of them, even this one is from Cozy. The one I just reviewed right now is from Cozy too. So these were, oh, these are mosh. These are mosh. See, 1, 2, 3. Okay, it's 3 in 1, and I love the colors. This is 2 to 3 years, but they look big. Let me show you. See, you see, it's 2 to 3 years, but it looks so big. These are 3 colors, and these are the tops. Look at them. There's the tops. Okay, something simple and nice. You can see it. It's simple, basic, but nice for the winter. So beautiful. We love them. This one is a jacket. Okay. Oh, I like these. It has zip details. See, oh wow, look at the inside. Look at it. This will be so warm. There is no way your baby will wear this and it will be cold. There is no way your baby will wear this and it will be cold. No way. Because they did it so well. It's so warm. It's as if there is foam inside. This is so beautiful. So beautiful. Let me open this one. This one is a trouser. How many years is this? 4 years. How come I took 4 years? Oh, there's a mistake. It's not me. There's a mistake somewhere. I can't take 4 years now. Maybe it's just 2 years and I'll be taking 4 years. Oh no. There is a mistake somewhere. This one is 4 years. You see? Oh, it's combat. Okay. It's so beautiful. It's so beautiful. Sorry, but so fortunate. It's 4 years, so he will just have to wait before he will wear this. But it's so lovely. Look at it. Look at the detail. You see, with this here, it's so lovely. See the waist too, and it has this. Maybe oh no, it's too big. It's too big. 4 years. This is big. The bust size I couldn't get really his age, so I took something. I think I took about let me check what I took. It's 4 years. You see, it's 4 years. This one is 4 years. I don't think I took 4 years. Anyway, they are 4 years. I don't know what happened, but I'm just going to keep them. So this is it. They are so cute. They are, you see them, they are so cute. But it's 4 years. My baby's waist is not as big as this. You see the colors. See the colors. They are really beautiful. So guys, that is it for this baby haul. I hope you guys like all the things in as much as I love them. So if you're interested, head to the description all details will be there. There are links, the names of the store, everything will be on the description box, so don't hesitate to check it out. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye. Please gorgeous, don't forget to subscribe before you go. If you watch it this far, please subscribe. Subscription is free. Thank you so much for doing that, and don't forget to hit on that notification bell. I will see you guys in my next one. Ciao ciao. Mwah.